Hi, I'm Bier and welcome to Thai in 2 minutes here on Buzzin' Patio, the show where I will teach you all the important words that you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hey guys, welcome back to Thai in 2 minutes here on Buzzin' Patio. I'm Bier and today we're going to be talking about memories.
Okay, Bier, so talking about memories, so the first question that most people would say is, do you remember this? So how would I say I remember?
ฉันจำได้
Now, you just said the word Chan there. I just want to clear this up for those that are listening, because as a male, I was always under the impression I should say Pom. Is that right, or can I use the word Chan as a male?
Chan is a unisex word for I, so you as a male can use that, I as a female can use that as well.
Okay, so I remember I can use the word Chan.
Yeah, but
Alright.
if you would like, you can say Pom, but that's
Okay.
mostly just for males.
Okay, cool. And on the opposite of I remember, I don't remember.
ฉันจำไม่ได้
Chan, Jan, Mai Dai.
ฉันจำ
Jam. Oh, okay.
ไม่ได้
Okay, so Chan, Jam, Mai Dai.
That's correct.
Okay, cool, all right. And the next one, I don't know. So someone asks me a question, I say, I don't know.
You can say ฉันไม่รู้
Chan Mairu.
or you can say ไม่รู้
Mairu. Okay, so you don't need the prefix of Chan or Pom.
Not really.
Okay.
The same with remember and not remember. You don't really need the chan.
Okay.
If you would like, yeah.
Okay, perfect. And what about if I'm not sure? So if someone asks me a question, I say, oh, I'm just not sure, I'm not sure.
ไม่แน่ใจ
Oh, again, please.
ไม่แน่ใจ
My Nair Jai.
Yeah,
My
my
Nair
Nair
Jai
Jai.
means I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, and the last one then, I think so. So someone said to me, is that correct? And I can say, I think so.
ฉันคิดว่า
Chan Kitwa.
Yeah, or just
Chan Kitwa.
คิดว่า
Kitwa.
And it usually, if you say คิดว่า it's kind of like ... at the end, but you don't need to feel that. You just say คิดว่า yeah.
Okay, all right. Okay, cool. So then let's have a recap then. So I remember.
ฉันจำได้
Chan Jam Dai. Okay, and I don't remember.
จำไม่ได้
Jam My Dai. I don't know.
ไม่รู้
Mai Lu. I am not sure.
ไม่แน่ใจ
My Nair Jai. And I think so.
คิดว่าฉันคิดว่า
Kitwa. Chan Kitwa.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's me for today. If you have any other words that you are not aware of, please comment them below and I'll help you out with that. Be sure to subscribe and click on the little bell icon to get notifications of when my next show is. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next episode.